Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Coffee with Summer. I'm Summer and I'm from Well Institute. Today is a kind of a more intimate episode because we're going to sit in meditation together. So I'm going to ask you to grab your meditation cushion, lay down, whatever you need for our episode today. The meditation that I'm going to take you through today is a very simple meditation. Most probably for the people who meditated before, you have done it before. But there's wisdom in repetition sometimes. And also, each one of us, the facilitators of meditation, have our own energy field. So the words that come with my voice vibration can have a different impact on your nervous system, and our presence also is different. Okay? So whenever you're ready, grab something that is really comfy, grab a glass of water beside you, a journal, and something that smells good. So when you are coming back from the meditation, it's easier to smell your lavender or your peppermint or whatever it is that you have that smells good beside you. Okay? And we're going to start our meditation with our 4 to 8 breath. In through the nose in 4, hold for 2, and out through the mouth in 8. And with each breath in, you're gathering yourself back to the here and the now. So come back from your work, from any phone calls, from any conversations, come even from your own head, come back to you, to your heart. And if you can see your energy that is coming back as a smoke with a certain color, or an energy that is coming back or a certain light color, just see that and keep calling it back. You are the magnet. You are the magnet, and your energy comes to you. Keep the 4 to 8 breath. And when you are inhaling, allow your abdomen to go up like a balloon. And when you are exhaling, allow it to go all the way down. And keep your breath. You're doing great. And keep calling your energy back around your body and let it cocoon you from head to toe, like a little warm cocoon around your body. That's your energy. Yes, just like that. And bring it back. And any running thoughts in your head is very normal. Don't resist it. Don't push it away. Just see it as a cloud. And your breath is like a gentle wind. And they're just organically floating with the wind. And when you feel your energy cocooned around your body fully, you feel more warmth or buzzing in your body system, I want you to start opening your body and letting all your energy melt inside the body, all the way till it reaches to your bones and your bone marrow. And all the way from the head to your toe, and take all the time you need. Just saturate. And when you feel your body is full of your own energy, we're going to bring the attention to your tailbone, our root chakra. This is where we contract the most when we feel scared or we are in a protective mode. So I want you to take a deep breath into your tailbone, really deep breath. And what blocks your groundedness and your root chakra is your fears. So I want you to start asking your fears to show up to you. It can appear like kind of a grayish, blackish energy. Sometimes people see it as a symbol. Just notice. What we're doing is we're bringing our presence and our awareness. We're not fighting anything, we're not fixing, we're not pushing or pulling. And when you get an image of that fear, I want you actually to thank that fear. Thank you for being in my body for that long. Thank you for the lessons that you have taught me so far. Now it's time for you to go and never come back. And just see it dissolving, or see it going to the earth, or seeing it even transmuting into light energy. And then you're going to call in a substitute to that fear. You're going to call in a protective symbol. It can be the ankh, it can be whatever belief system you have, something that is light, simple, and put it there. If you can see it as a golden light, do that. Just take your time and let it really rest inside there. And now we're going to go above the root chakra, our sacral, our creativity and sexuality center. This one is blocked by guilt. So I want you to take a deep breath there. And again, ask for an image to come, a symbol or an energy field of that guilt. And again, welcome the guilt. And thank it for all the lessons that I've given you. And then we're going to tell the guilt, it's time for you to be released now. And again, you can see it dissipating, dissolving, or transmuting into golden light again. And then again, call into that symbol of protection. I always use the ankh, which is the symbol of life in Old Egypt. And again, let it go inside and rest in there. And then very gently take a deep breath into your stomach, and this is your power chakra. And what blocks your power is shame. So a deep breath, and again we're going to ask for an image for that shame. It can be a symbol, a darker light, whatever you want to see. And breathe around it, and again show it gratitude. Thank you for all the lessons that you have taught me. It's time for you to go. And release. And again, substitute the shame with a symbol of light, and see it resting inside your stomach. And very gently we're going to go to the center of your being, your heart, where your humanity and your divinity meet. I want you to take a deep breath into the heart, and what blocks the heart is grief. Take a deep breath, and we're going to allow grief to be there. Breathe around the grief, give it space so that it can move out of the body. Show it reverence. Thank you for all the lessons that you have taught me. It's time for you to be released and leave. It can be released through the roots, can be released through up, or it can transmute into golden light again. And after it's released, we're going to put again the symbol of light, which is the ankh, or whatever works for you. And see it really the symbol holding your heart. When we block our hearts, we disconnect from our divinity or from our humanity. We live only in one. And whenever you're ready, you're going to go up more to your throat, the center of your voice and your truth. Take a deep breath into the throat. And we block our throats with the lies we tell ourselves and we tell others. I am not good enough. I can't do this. I can't do that. It's all lies. So a deep breath into the throat, front and back. And again, we're going to get an image or a sensation of that blockage, the lies. And when you see it, you can start breathing it out after you thank it for all the lessons, and it's time for it to be released. And keep breathing in through the nose in 4, hold for 2, out through the mouth in 8. Keep scanning your body. Ask your body which part want to get a little bit softer, which part want to relax a little bit more. So allow that. And then gently we're going to go to the forehead, or what we call the third eye. And you're going to take a deep breath in the third eye. There's your intuitive center. Front and back. And the third eye is blocked by illusions, what we try to convince ourselves with. Breathe around illusions. Thank them for how they served you and all the lessons that you've learned. And in your exhalation, allow it to be released or transmuted into golden light. And again, we're going to call in the protective symbol and let it float and go in there to protect your third eye. Whenever you're ready, you can bring your breath above your head to your crown chakra. And this is where you connect to the cosmos, to the unseen world. And this chakra is blocked by attachment. So I want you to breathe through that. And again, see it as a black smoke or something that you can see or feel. And thank it for its service, all your attachments. And breathe around it, give it space, and in your exhalation, let it release. Very good, just like that. And now you're going to ask for the protective symbol of light to come and enter into your crown. And that's one of the most important chakras to be protected. That's where you get inspiration as well. And now, after clearing all your chakras, I want you to breathe in through the crown. Breathe out through the third eye. Breathe in through the third eye. Breathe out through the throat. Breathe in through the throat. Breathe out through the heart. Breathe in through the heart. Breathe out through the stomach. Breathe in through the stomach. Breathe out through the sacral. And last breath, in through the sacral and out through the roots. And just notice your energy field for 10 seconds. When you're ready, you can start putting one hand on the heart and one hand on the stomach. And I want you to start showing yourself deep gratitude for the time that you have given yourself to take care of you. And tell yourself anything else you need to hear: appreciation, gratitudes, love, I am here, it's okay, I got you, all that. And when you're done, you can bring your hand beside you again. And I want you to start breathing 4 to 4 in and out through the nose to start coming gently up. And with each breath, you're coming one step up the stairs of your depth. And at the end of the stairway, you're going to see a door and a light coming from the door. Whenever you're ready, you can touch the doorknob and open the door and open your eyes. Take all the time you need, and for the ones who are back, welcome back. Stretch, drink some water, write in your journal. If you have another 5 to 10 minutes for yourself just to be with that energy, be with it. There's also a couple of free meditations on the website and a journal if you would like to keep that as a practice, as a morning and evening meditation. And write in the comments, what did you feel? And send me emails, ask me more questions about that. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in your next episode. Bye-bye.